Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us one more budget True Wireless earphones, and this time it's the Noise Buds VS104. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and we'll tell you how they perform. So starting with the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the picture of the earphones and the model name Buds VS104. At the back of the box we have the key features such as 13mm driver, HyperSync technology, Bluetooth 5.3, and you get the InstachargeTM support in these earphones. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 3499. However, the launch price is just Rs 999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we get the user guide, and it has the info about the features of these earbuds. And then we get the noise stickers, and then here we have the quick start guide. Then in the box we get a welcome card which also has the warranty details. And then below it we have the charging case itself. And guys, this is the Snow White variant, and apart from that, these earphones are available in a few different colors. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get a Type-C charging cable, and then here we have few extra ear tips of different sizes and colors, which is very good. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. So starting with the case, the design and the build quality of the case is very good. And we get this pebble-like shape for the case. You get the matte finish on the case, and it's also compact and lightweight. The battery capacity of the case is 400 mAh. In terms of the overview, in the front of the case we have the noise branding along with the LED lights for the battery. At the bottom we have the Type-C port. And about the door and hinge quality, you can open the case with one hand and the hinge quality is decent. Inside the case we have the earbuds, so let's take them out. So here we have the in-ear style earbuds, and again we have the matte finish on them. In terms of the design and build quality, I find them very good, and keeping in mind the pricing which is under 1000 rupees, I find the build quality very good. In terms of the overview, we have the noise logo in the front, and above it we have the touch sensitive panel. The driver size of the earbuds is 13mm, which is larger as compared to the other earphones in this price segment. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here they are paired with our phone, and about the codec, you get the SBC codec as well as the high quality AAC audio codec support. Now let me quickly show you the touch controls. So guys, a double tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music. Long pressing on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and long pressing on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Single tap on the right earbud will increase the volume, and single tap on the left earbud will decrease the volume. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on either of the earbuds. Now let's talk about the main thing, and that is the performance. So starting with the comfort, they are very comfortable to use, and also guys, you get good passive noise cancellation with these earbuds, but make sure to use the correct size ear tip. About the performance, the first thing we noticed that they are very loud, and I had to reduce the volume to 70%. About the audio performance, the bass is good, and from the 13mm driver, we get a good thumpy bass. The instrument separation is also very good, and the vocals are also clear. So for music and movies, the performance of these earphones is very good, and keeping in mind the pricing, we think they offer a decent performance. In terms of the battery backup, as mentioned earlier, you get the InstachargeTM support, which lets you use these earbuds for 120 minutes with just 10 minutes of charge. And during our testing, we were able to get 4 hours of battery backup in one single charge. About the mic performance, the mic performance is also very good, and you can take voice and video calls without any issue. So overall, the Noise Buds VS104 is a decent looking true wireless earphones which offers good sound output and build quality. I find them very comfortable to use, and audio quality wise, you can use them for casual listening to music or watching videos and movies. The touch response is very good, and things like HyperSync, which pair the earphones to your phone as soon as you open the case, and the InstachargeTM is also an advantage. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a decent true wireless earphones for around 1000 rupees, then you should definitely check out the Noise Buds VS104. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Buds VS104 True Wireless Earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions about these earphones, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel GadgetGig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.